Yeah, mate. Yeah, just going to go for a ride on your back, mate. Hope you don't mind. Just going to jump on there and just float about. What are you going to do about it? Nothing, mate. You got nothing. You got nothing on me. I'm just going for a little piggyback. Go on, son. Yeah, that's the way, mate. That's the way. Get off me, you prick. Nicely balanced there. Loving, whoa, whoa, steady, steady on, John. Piggyback. They call it the Seagull Tower. Ooh. Ooh, I see what's happening now. A fascinating turn of events. Oh, yeah, the old tail wag, look at this. Ooh. Mr. and Mrs. Seagull having a great time. Ooh. Mr. and Mrs. Seagull. Ooh.